What is roof overlay? And why do homeowners choose this option? It is much easier to install than a full tear-off. Compared to a complete tear-off, the overlay takes much less time and requires far fewer materials. The main disadvantage of using this is that it compromises the integrity of flashings, which may lead to an incomplete project. But it's still a viable option. Overlays are the most cost-effective option for replacing a damaged roof. They are applied over the existing shingles. It can hide several problems and make partial repairs much harder. The upside is that you don't have to hire a professional to apply the new shingles. Even if there is a problem with a patched part of the roof, this can be completed before winter. Although this option is still a better choice than a full tear-off, they also offer a few disadvantages. They can be more expensive and take more time to complete. If you're planning on replacing your entire roofing system, choose an overlay instead of a tear-off. It will protect your home and prevent more expensive repairs later.